Breaking news coming in. Joint statement is out by Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech. This is coming after a face-off between both the companies on the vaccine efficacy as the phase 3 trial data are still awaited. Both have jointly communicated their pledge towards smooth rollout of COVID vaccine to India and to the world. The statement has said, and I quote, "We hereby communicate our joint pledge to provide global access for our COVID-19 vaccines," unquote. Milan Sharma now joins us live. Milan, we were awaiting the statement after Adar Poonawalla put out that particular tweet saying that we will be issuing a joint statement to clear off all the miscommunication. And now both have jointly committed their pledge towards smooth rollout of the vaccine. This is, of course, coming in after the face-off that we saw between Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech. Milan.
Well, Chaiti, it looks like both pharma companies have called it truce because after a very verbal and open public spat between the two, now they have issued a joint statement saying that we pledge to make sure that there are safe and efficacious coronavirus vaccines with global access, not just for India, but also across the world. And this is a statement that has been issued by both Serum Institute CEO Adar Poonawalla as well as Bharat Biotech CMD Dr. Krishna Ella. Bharat Biotech has also tweeted a statement from their official communication handles. And this comes after both sides had a lot to say about each other's vaccines, but all seems to be well at this point because the companies feel that the more center of attention should be the making of an efficacious, safe and a secure vaccination drive for the entire country and the world, and which is why they have pledged to work towards doing that, making vaccines and ensuring that they reach all citizens in time, apart from, the attention that their verbal spat has taken, which is why the companies decided to issue a joint statement to say that all is well, sab acha hai, and calling it a truce now on the public forum.
So this is an absolute truce that is happening between Covaxin makers and the Covishield makers, and of course their larger responsibility of the vaccination rollout is what both the companies now would perhaps, we hope, will be focusing on. And Milan, they've also pledged towards a smooth rollout now, so all shall be well going forward.
Hopefully, Chaiti, because now we have to look at procurement and smooth rollout of the vaccines. And that is the promise that the Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech have made as companies to the government as well. And they should be able to do that because all things aside, the next step is to procure the vaccines from their facilities, transport them to storage facilities, and then send them to each and every state, equitably distribute the vaccines for healthcare workers in the first phase. Remember that the government will soon and shortly announce the dates of when the vaccination drive will kickstart in the country. At this point, we've not been confirmed the date. So that is the next big question, and which is why, keeping their verbal spat aside, both the pharma companies have said we are in line with what the government is looking to do, which is to inoculate people, save lives, vaccinate people, and help end the coronavirus pandemic spread, break the chain of transmission. That seems to be the major focus instead of a war of words and vaccine wars between the two pharma giants.
All right, leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us, Milan, with all the latest developments and bringing our viewers up to speed with what the joint statement really says. There is truce between Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute of India, both the makers of the two vaccines that are made in India.